How to use expiration modes. The Pocket Option platform offers two expiration modes, Standard and Flag. The Standard mode is ideal for short-term trading strategies. The Flag mode is better suited for long-term trading strategies. Standard expiration mode. The Standard mode allows precise control over the trade's duration, closing it after a fixed time from the moment it opens. To set up the Standard mode, select an asset, set the trade amount, and choose the expiration time. The trade will close automatically after the specified time, starting from the moment you click the higher/lower button. Flag mode. The second expiration mode, Flag, is useful when it's important to set an exact closing time for the trade. Click on the expiration field and set the desired value. You will see an expiration marker on the chart. No later than 5 seconds before the specified time, you can open any number of trades. All of them will close simultaneously. Configure the Auto Shift feature to automatically extend the trade's expiration time by the required period. Click on the expiration field and choose the period. 5 seconds before the current expiration time, the system will automatically set the next expiration time, adding the specified period. All trades opened within these 5 seconds will have the new expiration time. The Auto Shift feature is useful when current market conditions change in your favor. Extending the expiration time allows you to flexibly account for market dynamics and adjust your strategies in real time. Use expiration modes and earn with Pocket Option. Start now.